Hey guys, today's episode is everything at Mossman Gorge.
Yep, so we're doing some of the walks. We can't do the Dreamtime walk just because of COVID.
Yeah, so all tours have been cancelled until further notice.
Yep,
which
self-guided.
Yeah, so that's a little bit disappointing, but we're going to do it self-guided, and when we can come back and do a guided tour, we'll do that. Onto the shuttle bus we go to head to the Mossman Gorge.
So we went right down to the river, is it back?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're how far is this one?
I think it just goes along the river. It doesn't
Yeah.
say it's 700 meters or something to the boardwalk.
Yeah. So we're just going to go down this way first. A couple of people went the other way, so we'll go through this way. I think they've just put this track in, maybe. Pretty nice river though.
Nick has just set up the drone and we're going to try and fly it before it starts raining again. So here he is, just putting the last little bit on his phone, I think. And we're going to try and fly it down the gorge for you guys before it starts absolutely pouring down again. Here goes nothing. Hoping that he doesn't hit any of the trees on the way up.
So you can see jungle perch, which is a small fish I'll put on the screen now. In the river you can also see some turtles and some other creatures in that as you walk along. Even though it's been raining a fair bit, it's actually still quite clear, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It is a little bit brown, but it's not compared to any other rivers we've been in lately.
Pretty clear, really. Anyway, we're going to head back up the track. We didn't even come a couple hundred metres,
Yeah.
We just flew the drone, as you just saw.
And we went down a little rocky path.
Yeah, a little track.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're going this way now. This is the suspension bridge, Rex Creek Bridge.
Do not stop to maintain visibility.
Here we go. high-speed suspension bridge to moving. Come on. Pretty cool. Not moving that bad. So this is the 2K circuit track.
Yeah, so that was 700, I guess, right? Car park.
Yeah, 700 metres.
Exit and oh, you must do
Yeah, it's a loop.
Yeah.
That's why it's the circuit. Alright, let's go. So that other path was like tar, would you call it, Beck?
Yeah.
Like tarmac, like a road. This one, I guess if you had kids or whatever, wouldn't really be able to bring your pram on it. Because there are like tree roots and all that everywhere. Some really cool trees there.
Rainforest is just so cool. Like, nothing is the same, but it's like similar, if that makes sense. I love it. It's like, you just can't get over it now.
Massive tree. There's a fig tree, you reckon?
I don't know.
I'll put the right tree in the thing here. There's all these numbers when you do the tour.
There must be like something online about
Yeah,
it.
something.
Like we've got SOS down there.
Yeah. So cool.
Yeah.
Gonna keep going this way. You reckon we're halfway?
No.
Probably. Nearly.
No.
700 metres?
There's always 600 and 500 into it, I think I watched it.
Oh.
1.3 was in total.
There's a massive rock this way.
Look how big it is in comparison to me.
It's huge. It's just off the main track here. 600 metres in, sorry. Not halfway. It's been alright so far. Pretty easy, couple of steps.
Couple of tree branches.
Nothing crazy really. This is I can't say that, creek. Warumbu Creek. Imagine this flowing. You'd have to walk your way through. Back across the suspension bridge. So we just finished the truck.
It was really good. It was hard.
Like 3.2k total.
Yeah, it took us about an hour and a half.
Yeah, it's really good. We're about to jump on a bus and go back down. Thanks for watching, guys. That's another video done. If you like this one, leave a like, and if you want to see more, subscribe.